welcome back guys to Living Life with Us. Today is a special video because this is our oldest son, Car, as you guys have seen in some of our videos.
Hi.
He's 6 years old.
Yeah, I'm 6 years old.
He's gonna be 7 this year. And when you grow up, what do you want to be?
I want to be an art teacher.
When he gets older, he wants to be an art teacher. He love drawing. So I said, you know what? Why not sit down and let's just do an art video or something that you love to do.
Yeah.
He looks up to these YouTubers. Art, I think it's Art for Kids.
Yeah.
Art for Kids Hub. He loved their drawings and we often do it together. So now we are going to be doing their Detective Pikachu. So
yeah, Pikachu.
I'm going to show you guys what our 6-year-old can do as far as drawing. So you ready for this?
Yes.
All right, let's get it started.
Okay.
All right, y'all, so it is. So now we're about to get started drawing our Pikachu that Art for Kids Hub did. So you ready?
Yeah.
Can you see?
Yes.
Okay. Now let's see. Now we're gonna go based off their video, okay?
I think I can hear the video.
No, we don't need to hear it. Just look at it, okay? So let's do the eyes.
So you have to draw the eyes right here. And draw the eyes right here.
You just messed up my circle. Okay, so we got 2 eyes, right? Wait, make those eyes a little bigger.
What bigger? Why?
Make it a little bigger.
Oh.
So you erase those. Well, I guess. Alright. That might be a little hard to color in though.
Don't a Pikachu. Don't.
Alright, you got your eyes?
Yeah. Got my eyes.
Wow.
And color the eyes black.
Yeah.
I think they're more for that.
I'm gonna use a pencil for mine. Just in case I gotta erase. Okay.
I need black for that.
Oh, you want a black color pencil?
No, I don't want it.
And I don't draw often, you guys. I just like to do it with him because he gets a kick out of when he can draw better than us and make us look bad. It's all good. And sometimes he'll just look at images and then he'll just like
Do it.
be in his own world and he just do it, no problem. Like I said, he likes to stroll down the playlist and watch their videos and see what they have. Or sometimes he'll just Google things, or it could be something that he sees on an everyday basis and he'll just draw it. And like I said, for him to be 6, he is an outstanding drawing artist. That's what he say he wants to be when he gets older, an art teacher.
Yeah, art teacher.
Which I support 100%. Got shade in the other eye. And he gets down to the very detail of the work, and you'll be like, wow, like a 6-year-old actually drew this, and he does. Alright, finish shading. Now do what looks like Pikachu's nose right there in the middle, like how I did. Alright, now let's. Like I said, I'm not an artist, he is, so he's gonna show me, I guess, how to do this the right way.
So you have to draw it around here.
Oh my god, just like
right
that.
here.
That's okay.
Oops. Messed up.
Alright, it's alright. Let's pause it.
I gotta erase it.
There's room for action.
How about at the back?
That's fine. Go ahead to catch up.
Okay. I need help.
Make my face a little more. Go ahead, you got it. Just take your time. Don't forget your eyes.
Oops.
That's okay. Erase it.
Eraser.
Don't get nervous. He's getting nervous, y'all. Don't get nervous.
Oh, I messed up. I don't know what to do. What's next?
Alright. Let's see what else. Alright.
And
Circles in the cheeks.
Cheeks.
Pikachu cheek. Did the hairs?
Yeah.
Hair shading the tips of the ears. Body. Good job. Now you pause it. All right.
And like that, sorry.
Alright, caught up? Alright.
Not caught up.
Alright, now the other arm. Okay, now let's wait.
This was.
Let's do the fingers.
Now
let's pause that.
Let's color it.
Okay.
I'm gonna decorate it.
Jello.
I'm gonna decorate it.
Alright. So now I'm gonna use a yellow crayon or color pencil. So you got yellow marker? Okay. Let me do a crayon. Let's see. This bad boy comes out. And I like drawing art. It's a peace of mind.
Mommy,
Makes you concentrate on other things. Yes.
I need help how to draw this sign.
Alright, I'll do it. Like I said, I'm not an artist myself, but I've had people in my family that knew how to draw really well. And this goes on both sides, my side and his dad's side, so you guys natural talent. Tell them what else you like.
I like colors
And trains.
and chains.
So did you have fun?
Yellow,
You want to do another one?
yellow.
Alright, so like I said, y'all drop it down below. Any suggestions that you have next that we should draw. And this is my finishing touch, my girly girl Pikachu by Mommy. Show off yours. And this is Pikachu by Jakari.
Bye,
And
Chagari.
like I said,
Bye,
we're gonna
Jakari.
show some of his other drawings that he have done. And like I said, we're gonna wrap this up. Y'all know what y'all gotta do. Like, comment, and subscribe. Duh. And that's Living Life Family. And we out. Hold your picture up. Peace.
Peace.